Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect IONOS domain to Netlify. Well, the first thing I want you to do is log into both of them. And then here on Netlify, what I want you to do here in the left-hand panel, click on domains. And then what you need to do is click on add or register domain and then select add a domain you already own. Okay. And then what you need to do is enter your domain right here and first verify. Now, the way you get to your domain, what you do is you click on menu, you click on domains and SSL, and then right here you'll see all the domains you own. So I'll do it for this domain. You just copy this domain, you paste it right here on Netlify, and then you click on verify. Okay, now it will start the verification process. This one is already registered. It's ready to be added to our site. Okay, perfect. Now we click on add domain. Okay, go ahead and do that. And then you can now add DNS records. Okay, so this one is optional. So to add a new DNS record, what you do, you can just come here to domains, and right here you should see DNS, and you can scroll down. You can add your own new records, or you can edit the existing ones. Just make sure you choose the correct time to live so you can get this done as soon as possible. Okay, and then if you don't want to do that, because this is optional, you can continue further, and then you activate your Netlify DNS. Basically, you need to update your domains and name servers. Okay, so all of these, you copy this. If you click on this, it copies to your clipboard. The way you do, you come here, you click on name server, okay, and then you click on use custom name servers. And then you just paste these in right there, one by one, till you do all of those. Okay, and once you're done with it, you just go ahead and save it. That's all there is to it, and that is how to connect IONOS domain to Netlify.